Hello guys, Vishnu's Vids back again, and we are now driving to the airport to view some airplanes. And you might have seen the control tower a few seconds ago actually. Oh, there's an Air Transat building. No idea what it's doing there. Oh, there, sorry, I just saw a plane. Oh, look at that. A320. Looks nice. And a few more planes here. There is, I can see, I think it's an Etihad 777, I'm not too sure. And there I can see an Air Canada Rouge A320. And we're going away from the control tower. And more stuff coming soon. So stay tuned on this channel and keep watching this video. Thank you. So I'm getting ready to record any plane that comes. And let's just hope there are a few big ones out there, like the Lufthansa 747. Wait, no, that one doesn't come until, like, I don't know, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. But, oh, there you go, airport road sign. We're getting closer now. And, so we're going to be nearing the terminal buildings. And, yeah. So anyways, oh God, my first big plane. An Air Canada A320 taxiing, not so sure if you guys can see it. And, oh yeah, bro, this is nice, man, I like it. Not sure if you can see the front of that plane there. Oh, it just disappeared. And in the far corner, I think it's an Air Transat 737. And, oh yeah, nothing's landing yet still, but I hope there's something. And, yeah, come on. Air Canada planes parked there, and 2 of them actually, and just stay tuned because more planes might come and land, and I'll take them on camera. Keep looking. Air Canada planes taking off now. 1769. Air Canada planes taxi. Oh, sorry. And Air Canada plane that we saw earlier. Let's take that plane landing. That's not too big one, but still landing at Pearson, and watch the impact right now, there. Yep. More planes coming up on Vishnu's Vids. A big one, and nothing's yet. 2 FedEx planes right over there in the corner, and we'll stay tuned to see more airplanes coming by. Oh, there's a big one landing. I'm not sure which model it is. I think it's 747 or 777. And so stay tuned because a big one's coming up. I'll keep it recording. Oh no, it's none of those. Just a small private jet though. Looks pretty nice, I mean. That. Barely went over that truck. Good landing, good landing. Impact right now, yeah. In the background you can see an A320 taxiing Air Canada. And nose wheel down, and Air Canada A320 taxiing back to the terminal after that landing we saw. Next truck after that FedEx plane landed. Far corner you can see a plane about to land. Not sure which one it is, but we'll see shortly. Oh yeah, it looks pretty big. To me that is. Coming in slow and low. Oh my gosh. What? Careful of the building, man. Looks like it's a KLM. It's a KLM 777 coming from Amsterdam. Oh gosh. KLM 777. Amsterdam, Schiphol. Oh god, that was a pretty big one. The KLM that we saw earlier taxiing. Getting ready. Come on. He's putting full engine power thrust. It's taking off. Yeah, it's an Embraer plane. A bit small, so no worries about where it's going to take off. The KLM plane in the background there you can see. And this Embraer is, I think it's taken off. Not sure. It's going, it's taken off. There it is. And it soars into the skies of Canada. It's a weird maneuver, I haven't seen it before. It's going left, right on takeoff. And we'll put this into the video. Yeah, okay, continuing on, another plane. Oh god. What the? It's coming in low and slow again. Closer and closer and closer and closer. Yep, I'm right this time. It's a Boeing 787. Not sure if it's -9 or -8, but I know it's a 787 and I'm sure about that. And it's touchdown with a bunch of smoke and the nose down now. But really, what a landing that was. The 787. It's gonna taxi you back to the terminal now to disembark the passengers. There it is, an Air Canada 777. That really is a sight though. An Air Canada 777 landing at Pearson and touchdown right about now. Amazing that, really amazing. Another one that's landing, not sure if it's a big one or small one, but we will miss, but we're gonna miss it as we'll be driving home now. Oh god, what is that, man? So oh yeah, it's a small one. I saw it, but sorry you guys couldn't see it. It's taxiing to the terminal. It looks like a Air Canada Embraer, and yeah. So guys, hope you had fun watching it. We're currently driving home. And yep, that's the end of this video. And so don't forget to like and subscribe and share all the videos. And yep, thanks for watching. Once again, as we leave, we will be looking at the FedEx cargo place, and we'll also be looking at a few airplanes, we hope. Okay, and there, maybe you can see, maybe you can't. Like right over there, there's a small plane. The control tower in the background. I can see a plane landing back there. Not sure if you can. But it'll be coming, don't worry. Yeah, there it is. Right there. It's coming in all right. Oh, there's a big A320. Not big, but like a pretty good one. We're seeing it from close up. Back there. And that plane, maybe you can see now. It's coming in at Pearson. So, control tower again. Where is that plane that was landing? Okay, we lost it, sorry. Another Tim Hortons over there. Wow, right beside the airport. Air Transat Terminal or whatever. And there's a FedEx building that maybe you saw, maybe you didn't. And 2 MD-11s, I think. And that plane that I was talking about earlier hasn't landed yet. So, oh yeah, there. Exactly. The FedEx terminal. Not the terminal, but like cargo building. And a few planes there. Just a few planes scattered here and there. And I hope you enjoyed this video.